This is a busy week on earnings, and we're still getting some large cap companies that are reporting. These are the ones that everybody's going to be tuning into this week. What are they? I brought them just for you, so let's dive right in. First one out of the gate is going to be Qualcomm. Now, they have a real good track record of beating. This is the meet or the beat. They haven't missed since 2016, since our data began, but the shares are all over the place, as you can see. It looks like they want to rally here, but we'll see what happens with this earnings report. But I know a lot of you are into Qualcomm and playing this earnings report, so this is one to watch. And then we're going to switch over to Baidu. Now, this is a totally different story. I know I talk about this company every time on the earnings videos because of their good track record. So they too haven't missed since our data began in 2016. They had a big beat last quarter, but these shares are really out of favor, and you can really see that in the chart here. Is this a buying opportunity? I don't know, but for those of you looking around at the Chinese stocks, this is one to keep on your radar. Then we're going to get Square. This is the other Jack Dorsey company. It has a great track record, as Twitter does as well. Just that one miss right after they went IPO there in 2016, and then it's been fairly smooth sailing ever since. They've beaten big the last 2 quarters, but these shares have kind of stalled out here in 2019. We're seeing that with a lot of these growth names. So we'll see if another beat here can get these shares, up to the, with some decent momentum to the upside here. And then we're going to have Disney. Now, they are coming off a miss, so they're not quite as consistent on the beats or the miss. And now it's all about costs, streaming, what's going to happen with their major movies like Frozen and the Star Wars and all of that. And of course, they have the parks and the tourist side of things, the travel leisure side. There's just a lot going on with Disney stock. And I know a lot of people own this one, and we're all going to be watching to hear what they're saying on this conference call. And then we're going to finish up with Booking, which is formerly known as Priceline. Now, I own this in my own personal portfolio. It has a good record of beating and had beaten for 5 years in a row until these 2 misses recently. So this is a little rare that they are seeing some red here. These shares are off the recent lows, but can they get back to the breakout? Again, these growth stocks have had some difficulties in, with valuation in terms of getting back to their highs. So we will see if Booking will quietly breach those 2018 highs or not. But this is one, if you're interested in the travel side of things, that you will want to be tuning into. As you can see, there's a lot going on this week, not just with these big caps, but there's a lot of small and mid-sized companies that are reporting. I'm covering them all on my Twitter feed, so be sure to get all of the charts at Tracy Reineck on Twitter or StockTwits, where you can see a lot of the smaller companies that may or may not have as good a charts as these. Most of them don't. But otherwise, for the videos, I'll be bringing you the videos all throughout earnings season, so you don't want to miss a single one. Go to Zacks.com/YouTube to subscribe, and I'll be back again next week with some more charts.